In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a character limit in Google Sheets. This can be particularly useful when you're working with data that needs to remain consistent in size, like codes or standardized entries. We'll make use of Google Sheets' data validation feature, which allows you to control the data that users can enter in a spreadsheet. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document where you plan to apply these limitations. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account and navigate to Google Sheets from the Google Apps menu in your browser or go directly to sheets.google.com. Once your spreadsheet is open, decide on the column or the specific range of cells where you'd like these character limits applied. Highlight the target cells by clicking and dragging your mouse over the range. It's important to choose wisely, as this setting will apply to all selected cells, helping to maintain uniformity. Now, with your cells selected, look up to the top of your screen and find the Data menu in the toolbar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Data Validation. This will open up the Data Validation Rules window, where all the magic happens. You're going to specify your validation criteria here. In the Data Validation Rules window, you'll see several options. Focus on the Criteria section and click on the drop-down menu. From this list, select Text and then choose Text Length. This option allows us to specify a minimum and maximum number of characters users can input into the cells. You'll now notice fields for between, less than, or equal to. Here is where you'll enter your desired character limits. If, for instance, you want entries to be exactly 10 characters, you'd input 10 into both the minimum and maximum fields. For a more flexible setup, just use different values for these fields as needed, like setting a range from 5 to 15 characters. Don't forget to check the Show Warning box. This option is crucial because it will alert users when they input data that doesn't meet the specified criteria, while still allowing them to proceed if needed. Alternatively, selecting Reject Input will prevent any data that doesn't meet the criteria from being entered. Choose according to your requirements. Once you've set everything to your liking, click Save to apply these validation rules. Your selected range is now restricted to the conditions you've specified. This can be a real game changer in managing large data sets, ensuring consistency across your spreadsheet. That's a wrap on setting character limits in Google Sheets. Remember, these tools are not just about restricting data. They empower you to keep your data organized and reliable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Google Sheets tips and tricks.